Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Wang from Pacificwest Orthodontics. Today I want to take you on a virtual tour of our clinics. Our Surrey office was built in 1995 in the heart of Newton, Surrey. The clinic was located at 7388 137th Street on the short street full of small local businesses and close to the transit loop and large shopping stores such as the Superstore and Costco. We have plenty of street parking and dedicated parking spots on premise. As you enter our front door, you will be greeted with an airy reception and waiting area. Our aim is to never keep you waiting. However, this area is professional designed and decorated to be comfortable and user-friendly for our parents and family members that may accompany you on your visits. Our front desk staff have been with us for many years and know our returning patients and their needs intimately. If this is your first visit, please come up to Marie or Annie and introduce yourselves. They will let the doctors know that you are here and be able to answer any preliminary questions that you have. Once you enter our patient treatment area, you'll notice that all our clinical staff are busy assisting the doctor or the patients with their treatment. Our clinical staff have all been with us for a number of years as well. Each of them are certified dental assistants. In addition, they have further certification to be an orthodontic assistant, and we conduct quarterly professional in-house training to meet the needs of our special patients. At Pacificwest Orthodontics, we like the use of technology. Technology does not replace our doctors' extensive knowledge and experience, but they do enhance our accuracy and efficiency and sure makes your life and our lives easier. When you visit Pacificwest Orthodontics, we aim to make our visits the best experience possible. From the convenient location to the friendly and warm atmosphere to the latest technology and super friendly and helpful staff, we are here to provide the highest level of orthodontic care and be a positive influence to our community. Thanks for visiting our clinic. Our doctors and staff are here to welcome you in person. We hope to see you soon. If you would like to submit a request for virtual consultation, please click here. If you'd like to see our other videos from our channel, please click here. Please visit our website at www.pacificwestdental.com for other topics or information you would like to know about. Again, this is Dr. Wang from Pacificwest Orthodontics. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and keep on smiling.